Google Health burned $3 billion before imploding. IBM Watson Health hemorrhaged $100 million yearly in losses. Meanwhile, many AI companies bleed 50,000 US dollars a day in regulatory limbo, stuck in a 7-year crawl, while ChatGPT reshapes reality in 7 months. Why? Please stay tuned to know. AI has revolutionized industries overnight. However, in healthcare, it's more than just innovation. A clinically impactful AI model can be life-changing. It can detect the diseases earlier, it can help the doctor to make right decisions, it can personalize treatment, and it can do so much more. Sounds like we need it right now, correct? Yet, on average, it takes about 7 years from an AI model to mature from concept stage to the stage of a mature product. Funny enough, in that time, leaders come and go, war begin and stop, industries transform. Yet that AI model is stuck in that same phase of compliance, clinical validation, regulatory hurdles, the Bermuda Triangle. It's still waiting, it's still trying to prove itself. One fine morning, the AI developer wakes up, stretches, and then checks the morning news, only to be met with a devastating update. What? New open source chatbot outperforms everyone, produces Pixar-level VFX films, auto-writes Hollywood scripts, and hand-delivers your morning coffee and croissant. While the outside tech world erupts in celebration, the AI developer glances at their own model, caught between mania and euphoria outside the lab versus grindingly slow and frustratingly methodical processes within. The life of an AI researcher is wild, where tech and industry breakthroughs move faster than the operating system updates. And amidst all those sleepless nights, missed birthdays, and caffeine-fueled marathons, there is always a looming danger that the AI model may become obsolete before even it sees the daylight. But the truth is, nobody wants delays, not the clinicians, nor the developers, and not the patient, whose lives hang in the balance. Let us explore why AI products takes years to develop when standard IT products takes months to roll out. In order to explain the complexity of AI medical product development, I will use an analogy of a knight who uses 3 essential elements. The 3 essential elements are sword, armor, and shield. Each serve a distinct purpose: offense, defense during combat, and overall protection. Similarly, the AI models involve 3 crucial elements: the sword or clinical impact. Just like the knight chooses the sharpest sword, the informatician chooses the best performing model. Usually, 3 models are chosen which provides the clinical benefit and impact. The shield or the risk prevention. This is to ensure that the AI model does not cause any patient harm or introduces any risks which could jeopardize the entire automation process. Third, the armor, future risk detection and management processes. The armor provides a broad protection against unforeseen dangers. In AI, this represents the unforeseen risks which are not present now but may emerge in future, such as the post-market surveillances, risk assessment, risk management strategies. To ensure this internal validation process is done in a structured, methodical way, it becomes very time-consuming with each iteration. I will go through these processes later on in a separate video. So far, I have spoken to you about the internal validation process involved in development of an AI model. Just to bear in mind that these models have been shortlisted after unshortlisting so many models. Now comes another layer of complexity arising out of operating system dependency and platform dependencies. Imagine that we have developed an AI model in 2015. After unshortlisting many models, we came out with 3 models. During the maturation and internal validation process, we finally shortlist only 1 model, and that model, when we are conducting user feedback test, we figured out that the operating system has released a new. So now we have to iterate the product complying with the new operating system requirement. Imagine that in 2016, we have completed with the new iterations, the model validation with the focused group. Now, the user feedback is available to implement, but while we're implementing, there is another update. Now we have to change the models and create another version to be able to accommodate those feedbacks. When those feedbacks have been implemented, a new product is designed. In the meantime, there are more updates requiring more iterations. So this is how the operating system and the platforms add to new layer of complexities. While the non-medical IT products thrive on CI/CD pipeline, the medical grade AI models require CI/CV pipeline. CV stands for clinical validation, the processes which I mentioned earlier using the sword, shield, and armor model. Along with platform and operating system dependencies makes a total complex product development process. Unfortunately, unlike the rest of the industry and technological breakthrough, it moves in a very slow process. Now in my next video, I'm going to deep dive into broader landscape of AI in healthcare, how it is evolving. I'll give you some stories from ground zero. So if you found this discussion insightful, please hit that bell icon, share the video, and subscribe for more deep dive into the intersection of technology and medicine. And don't forget to turn on the notification so you never miss an update. Thank you. See you again.